Hello dear friends. Today we will discuss one organic name reaction, that is Favorsky reaction. In organic synthesis this reaction is used for ring contraction of ketones. The important starting material for this reaction is alpha haloketone and alpha hydrogen. The chemical demand is alpha haloketone with alpha hydrogen opposite to halogen atom. Means the reactant require is carbon carbonyl group alpha carbon. One alpha carbon must contain halogen atom and one other opposite alpha carbon must contain acidic proton. So and the medium is basic, like OH minus, OR minus, NH2 minus, etc. bases can be taken. So let us see one example. This cyclohexanone can undergo Favorsky reaction in basic medium to form 5-member ring. Now this is 6-member ring. After the reaction we will get 5-member ring. Therefore this reaction is a ring contraction reaction. So let us see the mechanism of this reaction. What happened? First of all, in basic medium, this alpha hydrogen will be abstracted by this base to form enolate ion. Now this can be delocalized. So enolate ion can be formed. In next step, this enolate ion can attack over this carbon atom and the chlorine was removed as a Cl minus. So you will get this type of structure. 6-member ring, this carbon carbon bond and this carbonyl group. Now again the medium is basic, so what happen? Again OH minus attack on this electrophilic carbonyl group, so that there is a formation of this type of structure, OH O minus. Now as the carbonyl group is more stable, this negative charge restore over here and one of the bond will be break. So that you will get a 5-member ring. Onto this carbon you have COOH group and negative charge over here. Now protonation can take place and you will get a stable product. That is acid. Second example is dibromocyclohexanone. Suppose there are two halogen atoms on both the sides. Then what is the major product in basic medium, say OH minus? So let us see the mechanism. In first step, base remove proton from one of the side, let's say from this side, okay, because one of the hydrogen is present here, so this base can obstruct this proton and negative charge remains here. Then this negative charge carbon attack over this carbon atom and bromine will be removed as a Br minus. So you will get this type of structure. One Br is remain here. Now again in basic medium, what happen? This base attacks on this carbonyl group and this double bond is break, so that this type of structure form. Now again what happen? This negative charge restore over this carbon and one of the carbon-carbon double bond breaks. As this carbon is having bromine atom, so already there is a negative charge, so both atom cannot hold a negative charge, therefore this bond is break and you will get such type of structure. Here COOH negative charge, at this site bromine, and this negative charge is in resonance with this carbonyl group, therefore this negative charge stabilizes here. Now what happen? Again there is a leaving group present, therefore this negative charge carbon attack over here and this bromine leave this group as a Br minus and you will get such type of product. So this is the correct product of this reaction. Another example of Favorsky reaction is if there is branching on the alpha carbon atom. Suppose there are two bromine atoms, one is at alpha position and one is at beta position. Again in basic medium, what will be the product of reaction? Now if you draw the mechanism of this reaction, you can see now the alpha hydrogen can be removed from the base and you will get such type of structure. One bromine here and this is second group negative charge here after removing this proton. Now what happen, this anion attack on this electrophilic carbon atom to departs Br minus, and you will get this type of intermediate structure. Now in basic medium what happen, again the base attack the base attack over this carbonyl group, and this carbonyl group open. I will write the structure here. So such type of structure is obtained. Suppose if I use OH minus, here OH and here oxygen. Again this negative charge restored over here, and this bond will break. You will get such type of structure. Negative charge here Br, on this side COOH group. Now here bromine is present, so that this negative charge attack over this carbon atom to remove this bromine to form alkene. So here carbon carbon double bond can be generated, and here COOH group remain as it is. So now see the difference in the reaction above and below. This is a SN2 type step where the attack of nucleophile and departure of leaving group takes place simultaneously to form this type of product. So in this way Favorsky reaction can be written. Thank you very much for watching this video.